In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to turn on or enable Focus Assist on your Windows 10 laptop, tablet, or desktop computer for certain applications or different situations you may want to enable it for. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, type in settings, best result, should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. Select the system tile. And then on the left side underneath System, select Focus Assist. On the right side under Focus Assist, choose which notifications you'd like to see in here so you can stay focused. The rest will go straight to the Action Center where you can see them at any time. So you can select either priority only or alarms only, so which alarms or which settings would be allowed through. And then you can also enable or disable automatic rules down here too, such as certain times of day you want to enable Focus Assist for, or perhaps exclude the Focus Assist rules from applying. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.